Stuck. Hi, welcome back to AW's Little Shed Shop. Guess what? I've got a new hose! Yes, I know! Mrs. S bought me this Axminster Workshop Dust Extractor. The big old sucky. But she did buy me this as well. This 50 centimetre, and I swear down, this is 50 centimetres. This 50 centimetre, 100mm 4-inch tube. But of course it is not 50 centimetre. And she bought this from Axminster. Actually, that's a lie, she bought it from B&Q. But B&Q now are selling Axminster items. So, yes, I almost knocked that off the table. This bad boy, you can also buy from B&Q. Insane. So, with this bought through B&Q, bought from Axminster, I still can't believe they are doing that now, which is quite incredible. This was £49.48p. Now, I don't actually know if that's expensive or not. In my mind, this is, how long is it? This is 2.5 metres. In my mind, that seems bloody expensive, but I don't know. But I needed this because I couldn't use that without it. So, we got that. Yes. Also, I thought, well, sod this bloody malarkey of doing up these hose clamps and too much hassle. So, I bought 4 keyed ones. Oh yeah, because, well, I like the idea of them being keyed. Means I haven't got to find a screwdriver or find a nut driver and drive it home, and they're on plastic, so you don't really want to go too tight and crack them, do you? So let's get into this, shall we, and see what it's actually like. I am so looking forward to it. I need a kniff.
I mean, you've got an abundance of scissors.
Wilkinson sword! Safety first, let's not go through the pipe.
No.
I mean, how much of an arse kicking would I get if I went straight through the pipe? Get off the old safety net. Gone. Why has this got a condom on the end? Oh, hello. I don't get it.
So nothing ends up in the tube in transit?
But the other end was open. The other end was open. It's like one of those Chinese finger cuffs. How do I get out? Ah! Oh no. Hold on. Shit. Stuck.
I'm not even going to offer her a hand.
Sorry?
I'm not even going to offer her a hand.
Oh, what an idiot. Enough of that malarkey. Let's see how long this is. It says it's 2.5 metres, so Mrs. S. And go. Oh. Pull. Okay. Okay, that's a hell of a stretch to get 2.5 metres. But it was there.
It's tight and fresh and new, so.
That is quite true. It is tight and fresh and new. And we did get it to 2.5 metres at a push. Yeah.
No, pull.
It was a pull. Oh, who's the smart ass today? Huh? Yeah. Someone's trying to make me look stupid. I know, it's not that hard. Right, so it looks like, it sounds like I'm knackered. Might be quite right. It looks like, so this is a really, really thick polyurethane, I would imagine this is. Come and have a look at this. Wrangle my hose. I don't know if you can tell how thick this is, but look how thick this is. And it looks like it's a copper wire spring that goes through it. So, let's see if these work. By the way, Amazon. I'll put a link to this and this. Let's see how this goes. Come on, we bought it from you, so it should be the correct bloody size. Oh shit. Come on. Go on, you bastard! Get on there. We got this. Come on. We got this. What's... Oh, you did it without me. Get on, you bastard! There. Get as far back as poss. There. That's got a bloody great seal on it. Whack this round here, methinks. Whew. That was hard work. Speed this up. I think that's tight enough. That probably doesn't even need this. Oosh. Oh, that ain't coming off in a hurry. Yes. Okay, right. So now what I've done is I've replaced the original clamp that came with this to go on the bag. So I thought, well, the bag's the one thing that I'm going to be undoing more often than probably the hose from the actual machine. So we've got a keyed one on the machine, on the hose. And do you know what? That's 100mm 4-inch
outlet hose.
Inlet port. And this is a 100mm 4-inch
On camera, it looks like Nunu.
hose, and Mrs. S thinks it looks like Nunu. And if you know what Nunu is, I'm so sorry. And if you don't know what Nunu is, please don't look it up. And it's not bloody blue, so it can't be Nunu. And I am disgusted in myself that I know what that is. I need my pride to be sucked into this. So it's got a keyed one on the hose, although the hose probably isn't going to be coming off. This is 100mm, and it is a surprisingly very, very tight fit. Very tight fit. It took the two of us to get that on there, and then once it was on, it was just a case of manoeuvring it to get it on there. You can get an awful lot of stretch out of this, and this is very new, so you know, probably take a while for that to get all that stretch. Well, that's extremely cold in the shed shop today, but with the heater on, we managed to get up to 11 degrees. When we came in, it was 2, and this held up quite well actually, considering this has been out here in all that cold. So let's see what this is like now. Woo! Oh, that's a lot of bloody air. I've not got anything to suck up. I'm only kidding, it doesn't just make that much bloody air. Boy, God.
I would give you some more dust, but you...
Okay, Mrs. S reckons that we should put
Behind
some
you. There you go.
sawdust in here. I just shit out of me every time.
You sucking it straight up out of the pot?
No!
Did
It would
good.
take the whole thing off. And the pot.
That's so cool. A bit of whirlwind.
Yeah. I didn't realise it had the swirly whirly motion, the Venturi.
Vortex.
Vortex. The vortex, that's it, see? She makes me look stupid more often as days go by. It's not my fault. The old noggin is having all that information sucked out of it, and even the new stuff's just not sticking. The, what's it called?
Vortex.
The vortex. Swirly motion. I did not realise it would do that. But then again, maybe it's not down to the rotation of the fan. The fan is a constant centrifugal rotation. See, some shit I remember. I wonder if it's down to
The pipe
the
itself.
twist in the pipe itself, huh? Because obviously, you know, it's a spring. And that spring creates that motion. It's got to be down to that. I like that. It's quite good. It means it keeps everything into a nice sucky area. Anyway, that's been me with the Axminster clear lightweight PVC tube, 2.5 metres, 2,500mm, 250 centimetres, and I don't know, in inches.
98.5.
98.5. Do you know why? Because we've done this enough bloody times that she remembers. And I keep ballsing it up. So that's been this. $49.98. Couldn't tell you if that's a good price or not. I think it's a good deal because this seems like a really, really decent hose, even though it looks quite small, but it is 2.5 metres long. And it's clear she'll be able to see any blockages. So, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, click for notifications, and we'll see you again soon.